guys.
Alright. You're welcome. Alright, remember you can pet them, we just don't touch their antlers.
On se met là-bas? Là-bas,
Wanna come back? Okay. Alright, oops, I'm sorry.
on se met là-bas, tu choisis ton ici, ici, Attends, il y en a encore là.
Alright, you guys are feeding reindeer. You're also feeding caribou. There are seven subspecies of reindeer. These are the barren ground ones, which means they eat a lot of moss and lichen and grasses. They are an Arctic animal. They literally love this cold weather. And they can love it because of how their hair is. If you guys pet them, you'll feel how thick their fur is. It basically is about 3,000 hairs per square inch. Keeps them really well insulated because it's hollow. So it's